Hello everybody. This tutorial is about how to configure your tax rates in your Magento shop system. The configuration can be found in the overview at the menu item Sales and Tax. And this item is divided in Manage Tax Rules, Manage Tax Zones and Rates, Import-Export Tax Rates, Customer Tax Classes and Product Tax Classes. We will start with an example of the product tax classes. I will maintain the tax class value added tax registered goods 19%. So we have to add a new. And the class name, as I said, value added tax registered goods 19%. And the specification of the percentage doesn't matter for taxation at this point, but for the description, to find it later and to keep a good overview. And I save this class. Now I will add a customer tax class for retail customers. So we add a new one, and as I said, retail customers, and we save this class. There we go. Afterwards, it is necessary to maintain the tax zones and rates. So I go to Manage Tax Zones and Rates and add a new tax rate, and different information have to be filled in. So we start with the tax identifier, which contains the acronym of the country and the tax rate. I will choose DE1 19% for Germany, and the country itself, as I said, Germany, and the state is marked with a star for countries with one tax rate as Germany, and also the postcode is marked with a star because we don't want to delimit our tax rate in Germany. And finally, I have to mention the rate percent, and this is 19, and also the description in my front end, but I leave that empty because I want to use my tax identifier as front end description. And it is important to know that we can also maintain 7% or 0% for Germany, but in this example it is 19%. So I save my rate. And the last step is the management of the tax rules. So I go to Manage Tax Rules to connect all our classes with our rate. So we add a new tax rule. And I give my tax rule a name and choose the right customer tax classes and product tax classes depending on the name. And the name is Retail Customers. So I have to choose the right customer tax class, retail customers, and the right product tax class, value added tax registered goods 19%. And the tax rate was DE1 19%. So I got all and save my rule. And so finally I got my tax rates managed.